A typical bicycle probably costs for kids $150, $200. We can get them out the door for no charge at all, so that can make a real difference to a family that maybe doesn't have a lot of resources. The Bridge City Bicycle Co-op has a vision that everyone should have access to a bicycle. So we are a volunteer-run nonprofit cooperative. We provide tools, parts, programs, we have expertise, we have a space that we can work in here. We have a program where it's called our Youth Build-A-Bike Workshops. So we work with community groups, the youth come in, they pick bicycles from the pile of bikes that we have that need repair. They work on the bicycle with our volunteers and they can take that bicycle home for them to ride and use as they see fit. It's their bike for no charge.
We just want to grow and grow and grow. Like, demand is so high right now. There's so many people who want bikes, and we love helping them. I just love to see the organization get bigger and be able to help more people.
The funding from Affinity has been really important to us. They were the first organization to fund us, and they've been funding us ever since we got started. We got our first grant from Affinity from their community program. And there's no way we could have got to some of the starting things that we did without their funding. And now, as we roll out programs and try to expand programs, they're still helping us all the time. Affinity's support means that we are able to continue helping our community.